Hi YouTube, it's me, Ann from Analogy.net, and today I am going to do a soap review. Haven't done this before, so let's see how it goes, shall we? Okay, a little bit of backstory. Everything I know about basic hot process soap making, I know from Kimberly. And Kimberly has recently opened a store in Fort Payne, and to help her out with the cause, she asked people to buy soap or donate or something like that. And since I wanted to give a little contribution, I ordered a bunch of soap from her. And I did that beginning of February, hoping it would arrive ready for my mother's birthday end of February, but it didn't. It arrived last week. Yeah. So let's go through the soaps, shall we? Okay, first soap. I gave all the soap to my mom and asked her to pick one that she liked. And this one was the one she picked. Let me just open that. So you can see. This is Barnum V Spirit Lifter soap. It says here for stress and emotional support. And it contains her saponified base oils, as well as unrefined organic shea, first press, cold press, extra virgin olive oil, rosemary essential oil, clary sage essential oil, palmerose essential oil, organic coconut oil, ground anise seed, which is for color, peppermint essential oil, cassia essential oil, glycerin, vitamin E. And just, she has her business card. And this is half bar, because I cut it in half and the other half my mom already used. I really like it. It has a very, even though it's not really in there, it has a really citrusy smell. And very much like spring, I guess. And I really like this one either. So, put it back in here. The packaging is pretty simple. It's just some plastic bag that she has punched some holes in to give the soap a bit of air, and then just printed on standard paper her label and her business card, and tied with this kind of, I don't know what it's called. So put this here and take the next one. This one is the Barnum V Grasshopper soap for dry, chapped, cracked, and irritated skin. This one I bought for myself because my skin has not felt very good lately. This is the bar. Very herby. Smells really nice too. So look what's in here. We have soap oil, oats, lavender, shea, olive oil, honey, lemongrass, coconut oil, bee pollen, ginger grass, essential oil, glycerin, and vitamin E. So I've never smelled ginger grass before. Didn't know it actually there was such a thing. But this smells really nice also. Kind of spicy, hence the ginger grass, I guess. Very nice. And Barnum V I've washed my hands with and leaves the hands really nice feeling, not dry or anything, and really nice large bubbles. This one is Barnum 15 Soothing and Calming Soap. Soothing the mind, dry skin, and good as a shaving soap either. So it has oats, shea, olive oil, honey, rosemary, EO, palmarosa EO, coconut oil, lavender EO, peppermint EO, ground chili powder for color, and glycerin, vitamin E. The smell is very similar to the Barnum V. I think I'm going to give that a try as well. And trying to shave with it, obviously. So then what we have here, pine tar soap, right? Because pine tar is something you can't really get in Germany. At least I haven't found it yet, and so I was really curious as to what it smells like, because people said it smells kind of strange. And what it does for the skin. This soap is Barnum 22. Let's get this. Pine tar, itch be gone. Support for eczema, dandruff, dermatitis, psoriasis, poison ivy, and bug bites. So, I guess this is a good soap if you have some sort of skin inflammation. And it doesn't really smell a whole lot. And the only thing I smell, I think, is the tea tree and the peppermint essential oil. I don't really smell anything like the black cumin or the pine tar. I mean, I don't know what pine tar smells like, but this doesn't smell anything like people told me it would smell like. It's really a pleasant smell, actually. It's kind of woodsy, you know, like in the forest. So, oh, activated charcoal is in there. You can't really see that. Funny. Then, what do we have here? Oh yeah. Let's clear our sinuses, shall we? So this is bar number 10. Clears sinus soap. Helps clear sinuses, smell, and absorption. This is the bar. Smell isn't as strong as I thought it would be. I imagined it's something like, you know, Vic Vapor Rub sort of thing. It's very pleasant, slightly sweet. Just trying to find out what I'm smelling here. it's the lavender with the peppermint that produces the slightly sweet smell. I don't know why, but kind of reminds me of root beer. Maybe it's the camphor? I don't know. Someone knows why I have the feeling that it smells like root beer? Tell me. And then, because I'm interested to kind of create a manly cologne type thing with essential oils and not relying on any fragrance oils. Oh, pretty. This is the tall, skinny mold, I think. I bought this one. This is Barnum V 13 Men's Cologne Soap. And it contains then the regular superfats and stuff: sandalwood, pine, petitgrain, lime, kelp, and slippery elm bark. But those two are slippery elm and kelp are for color. Fresh. Slightly woodsy. And not sweet at all. Really liking this one. So, let's take it to the sink, shall we? Okay, back at my sink. One thing you might want to know, we have very hard water, and I mean really, really hard water. So any soap kind of has a bit of a problem. This bar produces a much smaller lather than the Barnum 5, but very silky. Really like it. Try this again with hot water. Not much of a difference from cold water, I should say. So, thank you.